Morning, localistas. So, can you guess what is this crop? Yes, you heard it right. This is ube. No, I bought this ube at the market mga around 2 weeks ago, and I neglected to cook it already because my intention was to propagate the ube and to find a good a good variety. Now I was looking for kinampay in the market, which is the kinampay or the ube kinampay version or a variety coming from Bohol. So I think that variety of ube is now applied for geographical identification at the intellectual property office, so that they could claim it, as very distinct crops or commodity from Bohol. However, uh, 2 weeks ago I go to the market. I go to the market and find some planting materials like this. I want to plant a good variety, so I will try get a good variety today by mm, cutting, and prepare this planting material for propagation. So our first planting materials, so meron na siyang sprout. We will cut this one in here, so around 2 inches, and let's see if this is good variety. Yeah, this is a good variety because this is total violet in color. The color is very strong, so very strong purple color. There you have it. So we'll leave the planting material in this area. So we have a rock. We will put it there and we will proceed to the next planting material. So our planting material has already sprouting. It's already sprouting now because this is already 2 weeks and was kept in a very low temperature area in our kitchen. So another. So this is violet color, very purple. And we will put ashes on this area later on. So we'll leave this material again. Next, we will check the third planting material. So let's see if this is still violet in color. Okay, so slightly the color of the ube is not totally violet, so we will remove this. We will remove this. I think I will be I will cook this material so that it will not uh, grow again, because my idea is to plant a very purple version of ube. So here we have two. This is the fourth one. Okay, so this is still purple, very strong purple color, now very purpley, so we will leave it there. The next version, the next planting material is C. Okay, let's see. Surprise. Okay, very dense purple color. So I think this belong to one family. And the last planting material I have here. Uh, so it has already sprouts. And I will try to cut this portion. So there are already sprouts. Later on, I will show you how do I cut this for plant as planting material. But we need to leave at least 2 inches, no, uh, from the root crops. And another one, this is still ube. So this is a good material, planting material. Look at that. There you have it. No, I already have a good planting material. Apart from that one, no, which I used to cook I used to sod the. I will be cooking that yam instead of replanting it for purposes as planting material. So there you have it. We have already have a good variety of planting material. I don't know what kind of variety is this. I will try to search more on this planting material if ano ba siya. Here we already have a planting materials. Um, so we will cut this into I will have at least 8 planting materials from this. At least 2 inches. There you have it. Um, there. Mm, there. We need to bear in mind that at least there is a cover portion. Probably that would create a new spot again. So here. So there you have it. We already have uh, 8 planting materials out of it. And we will put it there and we will try to air dry it. There. These two kinds of purple yam. That's that there are two varieties of purple yam. So the other one is slightly um purpled and the others are very strong in colors. So I hope put ashes on this, but I will segregate those the other variety in there which is slightly colored, no, very white, medyo white na siya. Ano na natin, kukunin na natin so that we could produce the purplest variety color or variety of ube. So here we will put ash into the planting material. We will cover it with ash. We will cover it with ash. Okay, so the purpose of this is to prevent it from rotting and molds, rotting and molds from too much moisture. So at least we could put everything, at least cover it with ashes. We have this. Now this is a disposable cups. So this is a cup from a milk tea shop here in our place. So that's Blue Star. And then we will put the ube in here, ash in there. So and let it place in the planting materials. So here I already put the planting materials in the cups, and we will air dry this for at least 1 day. We will, yeah, for 1 day, and then I will be putting soil on top and wait until the roots sprouts and the new plant sprouts in. So this is how ubi works, no? Ubi planting works. Madali lang siya, and then after I think at least 2 to 3 weeks, no, you could plant it already in the planting box or planting areas. That would be all. So thank you so much for having me here today in my ubi uh, ubi propagation, or ubi preparing planting materials for ubi. Have a nice day. Goodbye, localistas.